Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Celebration of International Day for the Elderly at Kanchi Mautejrong. Fire destroys home in Warinong village, family survives. Tri Hills Festival showcases tribal heritage and freedom fighters' legacy. And 4th Biotic Science Congress 2024 highlights agricultural challenges amid climate change. And now the news in detail. The District Social Welfare Office, DSWO West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with God's Dream Home Center, commemorated the International Day for the Elderly on November 21st, 2024 at God's Dream Old Age Home, Kanchi Mautejrong, Eastern West Khasi Hills District. The event themed Aging with Dignity, the importance of strengthening care and support systems for older persons worldwide, brought together elders aged 60 and above to honor their contributions. The chief guest, Bakis Emle, Sordar of Kanchi Mautejrong, expressed gratitude to DSWO and God's Dream Home Center for organizing the program. Key speakers including D. Pakanteng, DSWO West Khasi Hills District, Reverend C. Marbanyang and Kong W. Lingdo highlighted the importance of respecting and supporting the elderly. The program concluded with heartfelt recognition of the value and dignity of aging with care and community support.
Man usnem ha kashitarik jong ubnai Oktober. Henry let's say mentau snem dan kita officially kita officially bingi hapus pun ya kini program tingi hap conduct na ya kini program mentah kesini apa wait terek. Henry kecing temu jong kini program berdaya kadai kumcu bangin pen leburam na kabanta kita men ki panriu post nam Shillong kan thei bat shinrang ki badan ha ka society jongi de one line with the thei line with shinrang means I not here I shall back to one
kini kecingah dapat kemen kini ini jongi ano Banakalim juga department hidup kumju aku habiskan deh ya gaba pi nakalim tu pi mam yang island ya ni God's Dreams ni yin home center gaba kelas ni kan program nak banta ban punya kan dulang ya pi kilong temen ki perlu dijom ni bansa banyak kendu banyak UI banyak kalong gaji kan dulang apa siang baik bakalong gajing job bat ketika berjob hidup entah sini bat ke kabangan kamsuk macam kalau bana kali na jongap ko mukul nangit skam ba piwe kumki mi ik ki pait jong barok kilong yin pinyai sa jangan mau serta jeng em bakal dikasih ka ba pinimi osyu sa sisin dengan skam bangin persang biang nak ke por mani kendulang ni songkai lang kuning ni bisang ni bang jalang bat ngai gajing titbok ke duang sabar kan perkut kacing keren và pini yo kamet ka buka kia bo blame ko ku kerdo bude don kan piwe aga jing long met temen jong pi hande na kali ka jong aku mukul jong asnong ngam don i ai hande tang ga jing ka san sin na bude bulang agi jing tuai pada dan kam but ese mo ngam dei tong sodar jong asnong ka chim pedrong de ben tama pa ka tahu ngadere sodar ka chim pedrong a ngadis ketri lu chipelun mo ha Tinggal mudah hidon kami yang aro huyan hok war khoi ha ada hidon kami yang aro di tim yang aro dekan hit yang aro me jim medis ketri chirong mi penore kana mi penore kata penler kana dukler kata ong yang aro ha ada ki en ong de kendu ong be namanga ngakole beli kacan ki long kemei ine mo tijong kitip ba ong ka it iris ong yana bakari tiba de kendu ya gelek kan bimon kiwe ki long kemai di Samla yang ada kedangnya keren jai kita mi izin yang ada jim hoi sodar ngai hoi sekali ada ladar le rumah yang ada lor yang dekat ju yang hoi ngai lan di kan du yang anu Khubor yang ketulu Chim yang aku kon ka chnong yang ni trailum ngani arap lan hayang hoi bro. Berkawi become kongsan pada terpal. Ya rap lan hoi nga. Ladang aduna. Ladang abakla. Ladang apa nu.
A devastating fire broke out in Warinong village, Mauthat Rashan, CNRD block at around 2 a.m. on November 21st. The blaze completely destroyed the home of Shidalin Marngar, who lived there with her 4 children aged 13 and 2 years. Thankfully, all family members survived the incident as the father was away on duty. According to Sordar Shnong Ba Springlang Wanyang, the fire is suspected to have been caused by an electrical fault. The house, valued at over 4 lakh, was reduced to ashes. The Sordas has informed the block office, which has promised to investigate the cause of the fire. The villagers gathered in the morning to console the family and contribute donations. Plans are underway to establish a committee to provide further assistance and rebuild the family's home, reflecting the community's solidarity and compassion.
Ja, iray nang wat emi brau ni nganan kendet kan brau rat nganan. Ne.
Sasni beda cikat na baca kay nai.
Arbaja. Di ni hati ya.
Sadi li na hati ya. Sampai lagi ya.
Shillong witnessed the vibrant inauguration of the 2-day Tri-Hills Festival by Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla, celebrating the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. The event showcased the diverse customs and traditions of Meghalaya's tribes. Welsh Ambassador to India, Mitchell Thieker, and Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh also graced the occasion. The festival, commemorating tribal heroes who resisted British colonial rule, featured traditional attire, food, drinks, music, dance and handicrafts. It highlighted the invaluable contributions of tribal communities to India's cultural tapestry. Additionally, outstanding individuals were honored for their achievements in society and trade. Visitors immersed themselves in a celebration of art and history, making the festival a testament to Meghalaya's vibrant heritage and unity. The 4th Biotic Science Congress 2024 commenced on November 21st at the Central College of Agriculture, Khuborjylla, drawing participation from 275 scientists and students representing 30 universities across India and Bangladesh. The 2-day event, November 21st and 22nd, focuses on the impact of climate change on global agriculture, with discussions addressing altered rainfall patterns, storms, temperature fluctuations and declining water resources affecting farming. Balakantiya Rani, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, inaugurated the conference, emphasizing the critical need to support farmers in adapting to these challenges. She urged students specializing in agriculture to collaborate with farmers to develop innovative and sustainable farming techniques to enhance food security.
Developing from the very beginning. It's not that today we are starting smart agriculture. Smart agriculture, as and when it is growing, today is a era when we have gone to Mars and all those things have come. But when we started our education, there was nothing. So smart way means you are using the same technology techniques which are already developed in a way that you can interpolate all these points and ultimately get to make a the climate resilient we say climate resilient, we say pest resilient. So this is a resilient approach which will be helping us to go in the millennium. And because of pandemic, after the pandemic or during the pandemic, it was found that all other sectors, it slumped in growth. But the agriculture sector, this is the only sector which was called by Prime Minister as a champion sector, and it was given that status that at that time it was realized that agriculture, though we are the number of people and this kind of activities associated with agriculture is reducing, but that's not a sign of decline. In fact, it's a sign of getting prosperity, because other sectors are also coming up now. Industries, we are not there, but now industry sectors are also taking over. But agriculture, the humongous possibility which was there, which was untapped, which was so now with the available technologies, we want to unshield, or we also want to untap those kind of potential which are existing, and which were not realized to its fullest extent.
Just you connect, just you think. This is my question. Just you see the climatic situation of this region. Maximum temperature within 30 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 7, 8, like that. Prolonged winter, you have got rainfall above 2000 millimeter. The very good climatic situation in this region, just you use this, my dear students. You think some innovative thinking to use this, you use your area, your climate, your cropping sequence, everything. Leave the traditional system of publication, irrigation requirement, fertilizer requirement. This is obsolete. Just to come in the present situation based on climatic situation. Just you see within 22, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, another cyclone has come as per IMD report. This is try to develop within the Bay of Bengal. So number of tropical cyclone increased day by day. Number of lighting increased day by day. The onset and withdrawal of southwest monsoon unpredictable. क्या करेगा? छोड़ दो, गढ़ के ऊपर गढ़ सब देखेगा ना, हम लोग इधर क्या करेगा? 140 crores इंडिया ने. This is our.
Deputy CEM of KHADC Penshangan NSAM announced on November 21st, 2024, during a meeting with Shella Confederacy village headman, that the wahad dadar election is scheduled for December 13. Nomination filing will be commenced on November 28, marking the start of preparations for the significant local governance event.
Election ke ba long banjit i wahadara dong ka Shella Confederacy ka de haka snem arja khandai. Baladin bagidon ka to ni complain la haban thung akting na du snem arja shipho aja ka we. But hadu menta aja pusau 48 pendep ka nika election. Jiwan juki kalong ban pen pau ji sukhya ba pale ka nika kam ka slam hadu menta la kum ba khat san khan du snem. Ba don ru ki temen ki ba let's say gibala misru let's say banjit gibala kham temen let's say la nang khat no na ka perthei tinagaleng juga kumu deputy CM bari in charge ilaka na ka pon la ai ka action po ka house but president tenri namar ba labun e ki butas kumba prajar tam ka simpor ngin ban compile ban le ya ka ban pendung ka butulis tena nding stunat ba ila po ya ka stage ban long no election ya adep ka claim and objection na du bunai July kidon ka to ni complaint ila dispose git complaint but ila rai ban file ya ka nomination kade ha ni shwa jong arpapratrik jong ni ubnai November bar ka scrutiny ki nomination paper
kan long haka pun dai trik jung new benai bar ke election ngelapan baik bakan long khat lai trik jung new benai Disember bar na kaleng juga di rang ba shnong ki bawan ya kenduk yang am tasni kila long very happy namar ba kila yo ya ka jeng pentim na kaleng juga dengan try ka notification nga try by man takas ngin penano ajing ade bakan ka time schedule ka by day bakan ka election tengiru isu CE bang kama man penlong election nak di kandidat senam te ka daw le se ka don bun ki jiru jirwat dan dai kirang ba chnong ki kanduk tasni la ay ki umdi ka sharan la ngala kan saya ki bangin sa isu no ya notifications
kerteng mo ka kerteng ka jonga ngade iba reader post.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.